Go shopping. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes. I'm looking for some clothes.
Sure, what are you looking for?
I would like to buy a dress. What colors do you have?
We have pink, black, white, blue, and red. We also have a mix of pink, white, and red.
I like this dress. Do you have this in a smaller size?
What size do you wear?
I usually wear a medium.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
The fitting room is over there.
Could I try this on in a different size, please?
Certainly, I'll bring it for you.
How much is it?
It's $30.
Oh, that's quite expensive. Can you give me a discount?
I can offer it for $28.
That's still a bit high. How about $25?
I'm sorry. That's too low. The best I can do is $28.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great choice. I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you for choosing us. See you next time.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.